Hello guys, this is my newly done Speargun 140cm Excalibur series. Okay. Using MVD trigger mechanism, okay, and MVD vertical reel with 50 meter 2 mm rail line, okay, with 304 stainless steel shaft DIY only, with 3 shark fin and 1 rest shark fin, powered by 3 16mm rubbers, regular ID. Okay, burnt wood finish barrel, Tugas Hardwood. Okay, Kholaz Speargun Excalibur 140cm open muzzle. Okay. The belly handle made of mahogany wood, burnt wood finish, right-handed only, customized for right-handed only. Okay. This is the belly of our Excalibur 140cm bungee. Okay, using a 90 kilograms breaking tension of swivel with 1.6 mm Dolphin nylon monoline. Okay, I hope you enjoy watching my video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my little channel, Kholaz Speargun. Thank you guys. Bye bye.